What's up, y'all? What's going on? This is Joel, and this tutorial is actually pretty mind-blowing. What you just saw, where I upload myself and then swap out different tops, it was done in less than 5 minutes by vibe coding it. What does vibe code mean? It means to use natural language, natural conversation to have something be coded, right? Whether it's an app, website. So in this case, it's an app, and let's get to it. So you're going to want to go to aistudio.google.com. And then from here on the left-hand panel, you should see where it says build. You're gonna wanna click on that. And there's a few apps that were vibe coded already that you can see showcased here. And we will add to that with our own. So go ahead and click Start Building with Gemini, or click in that text field. From there, you're going to paste what you can pull from the descriptor. I'll drop it in the descriptor of where you're going to see this tutorial. And this prompt over here is basically the vibe coding part, right? And we're essentially telling Google AI Studio to build an app that allows me to upload a character like yourself or myself, and also allow for me to upload a product, right, a top, and then hit generate, and you'll see spit out within less than a minute the outfit change. So that's pretty crazy. Okay, so you're going to hit run prompt. All right, so there you go. In real time, that took less than 2 minutes for the app to be created. For you quicker, obviously, because I'm editing this video. But let's go ahead and drag myself, right? And then I actually have a product over here that I saved. The products, I was just grabbing them from Pinterest. So you can either go grab from Pinterest, grab it from Nike.com. The best images work if you have either a white background or it's really cropped by the torso side, right? So the upper body, and you don't really see a head, because then maybe the app gets confused and reads two characters. But anyway, this is a good example. And let's see how I look like wearing this cool Adidas sweater. So hit generate. I'm not even gonna edit this. I'm talking over it so you can see in real time how long it takes for the app to have me wear this sweater. This is crazy. So now you can go ahead and actually download it. That was part of the prompt. We can create it and download the image. So that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And thanks for watching.